Ratchets,
Oye, mírame,
Ratchets,
ven aquí.
Ratchets,
Oye, mírame, ven aquí. Dámelo, papi.
Bend over, let me see your lips. 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 Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me.
Colorblind when it comes to the bump and grind. Dirty wine, this is one for the summertime. Colorblind when it comes to the bump and grind. Dirty wine, this is one for the summertime. Bump and grind, bump and grind, bump and grind, bump and grind. Dirty wine, dirty wine, dirty wine.
Súbame la rica. Oye, mírame, ven aquí. Marihuana.
Yeah, I like them brown, yellow, Puerto Rican, and Haitian. Pretty in the face, no need to be racist. I'm colorblind when it comes to the bump and grind. Dirty wine, this is one for the summertime. Yeah, so let me see you work that, twerk that. Sweat dripping off of her neck, her back. And she don't care who watches. Ass in the air, hands where her crotches popping. She a nasty freak in a trance, dancing with another ratchet piece. Damn shorty, yeah, it ain't your birthday. Don't forget today is a Thursday, and tomorrow's just another work day. But she don't give a fuck because she thirsty. It's totally worth it. Yeah, ma, you deserve it. That's the purpose. So let me see you work it. Come on.
Bend over, let me see your lips. 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 Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips.
Oye, mírame, ven aquí.
Colorblind when it comes to the bump and grind. Dirty wine, this is one for the summertime. Colorblind when it comes to the bump and grind. Dirty wine, this is one for the summertime. Bump and grind, bump and grind, bump and grind, bump and grind. Dirty wine, dirty wine, dirty wine.
Súbame la rica. Oye, mírame, ven aquí. Marihuana.
Tíralo, mami, let me see you bust it. Ain't you having fun? Come on, I know you love it. All up in the club, ballin' on a budget, drinking too much and falling on your cousin. Yeah, it's a ratchet reunion. So Ricky came through with the racket. Pullman, Patrick Ewing. What? Patrick Ewing? Yeah, she 33 and like to pass and shoot it. Shots, I like to make a toast now. Profile, get your Instagram post out. Now go to where the video option is. Whip a titty out and tag Ricky and Kon in it. Damn, whatever happened to y'all? Now you mad at the girl for what I rap in the song, but I'm having a ball, and so is she. Two tapping the jaw, but not now cause I have to perform.
Bend over, let me see your lips. 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 Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips. Now shake for me. Bend over, let me see your lips.
Oye, mírame, ven aquí. Marihuana.
Ratchets for Ricky.